I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing our first ever ride on this Schwinn Hurricane. It is a small bike when I put it next to my actual motorcycles, but let's throw a leg over and figure it out. So on switch is already on, kickstand up. Do we even need to pedal? Do we need to pedal? No, we do not need to pedal. I gotta sit way far back on this thing. Oh yeah, look at this, this is nice. Wow. That's full beans right there. I would probably say this is about 15 miles an hour. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I don't have a microphone. Ooh, brakes are a little screechy. I should have done a brake adjustment. It's alright, whatever. Let go. Yeah, we'll go this way. Ooh, should have worn some gloves. It's cold. What's the... Oh, you can pedal. You can pedal and then that's your throttle instead. So that's kind of strange. It's kind of too short to pedal though. It's like the it's kind of like the pedals are there for display. Or like a just-in-case situation. Ooh, let's go full beans. Stop signs do not apply to cyclists. Yeah, she can chooch up the hill. So, wow, we're making it. We're absolutely making it up this hill. Nice, nice. Let's think, where else can we go? Oh, are we clear? Clear. Take the bike lane because we're a bicycle. Use the crosswalk because I don't want to die in traffic. So I say that, but I'm going to use the bike lane anyways. Yeah, dude, this thing's nice. There's no noise. Yeah, this thing is like super chill. Sorry about the wind noise. You're probably hearing a lot of it, but this thing is like super chill. It is twist throttle, or I can just like act like I'm pedaling, and then the bike will go. So I don't know if there's if there's you know, if I'm actually helping the bike, but it makes me mentally think like I'm helping instead of just twisting the throttle like a lazy person. But anyways, let's go to a local park because that's where e-bikers go. Can we bring them back around? No, brakes are too loose. Hey, this looks like a good spot. Why not? Sweet. Oh, need a rock or something. That's mud. That's a muddy spot. But yeah, there it is. That's what we've been riding. Man, that thing is pretty neat. It's got 14-inch wheels. I would say it's cool. Is it $600 cool? The verdict is still out. So, but it definitely looks neat. I would say it's about as fast as a Honda CT90 in second gear. So, that's just kind of like, it's not very fast. It's not. What is that noise? You hear that noise? Let me flip around. almost like, there we go, there's that noise. Oh, gone? Yeah, the noise disappeared. I wonder what it was. Oh, no, it's back. It feels like it's coming from the pedals. The heck is it? It's definitely something back here. I think the rear brake needs to be adjusted. I should have checked chain tension. Oh, chain is way too tight. Well, that's something that I'll have to do. I did not do that. Oh yeah, you could see the brake wear. So, yeah, our brake disc is not aligned inside of our brake caliper. But I don't know if that's what's making the noise. Huh, I don't know. Strange.